95% finished project. R34 GTR, however, we won't see it after it goes back to DPM, who we partnered with on this project. So yeah, essentially what's been done with this vehicle for the customer James is it's had a complete underside restoration and also engine bay. So there are a couple of small bits of rust underneath that were dealt with by the body shop. Like I say, we partnered up with DPM Autobody on this job. They took care of the bodywork side of it, so they basically soda blasted, or arranged the soda blasting, painted the underside and the engine bay back to factory colour. We were in charge of essentially all the mechanical side of the job, so we removed the engine, the drivetrain, everything off the vehicle. Came into us as a running vehicle with bonnet, wings, all the loose bits essentially, so bonnet, wings, doors, the boot I believe was off as well. We'll slice some pictures or video in to show you guys how it turned up. So then we were tasked, like I say, with taking the engine and the gearbox and the diff and the arms and the suspension, all the suspension components, drivetrain, etc. Everything out of the vehicle, ready to be shot blasted and powder coated. So every single bolt has been zinc plated, all the suspension components have been powder coated. The other side, like I say, of the car has been soda blasted, so has the engine bay, and then been painted by the guys at DPM Autobody. We were then tasked with putting it back together, if you like, mechanically speaking as well. This was a fresh import to the customer, so it has what we believe is a HKS 2.8 stroked engine, so an RB28 if you will. Not sure the exact specifics of it because we haven't dug into it too much. All we can tell you it's got a chunky OS Giken clutch on it, or OS Giken, however you want to say it. A lot of nice bits on it, ORC brakes on the front here, genuine raised wheels which are now powder coated black as well. As you can see, the car's now assembled. It's due a little bit of paint on the front end just to bring it up to, well, the same spec as everything you can't see at the moment, so underneath and in the engine bay. So we've just finished up with the car, essentially new tyres, so it's got new Pilot Sport 4s all round, and we've also carried out a full four-wheel laser alignment as well, back to factory specs. So yeah, this car's ready to go back to Dave and his crew at DPM, get the front end sorted with regards to paint, just touching up the paintwork there. I believe they're going to redo the front end, so the car, like I say, matches the same condition as the rest, which is, you know, it's got to be one of the best available in the country at the moment, especially when you see the condition of the underside, which we'll obviously splice in, or probably have already spliced a few photos or videos in for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, let's get my ugly mug out of the shop and let's appreciate this thing in all its beauty.